The initial public offering, IPO, of Enviro Infra Engineers Limited will open for subscription on Friday, 22nd November 2024. Ahead of the IPO launch, the grey market premium, GMP, for the company's shares is around 22 rupees, indicating a 15% premium over the issue price. The company has set a price band of 140 to 148 rupees per share for its IPO. Through this offering, Enviro Infra aims to raise 650 crore rupees. Investors can bid for a minimum of 101 shares in a lot and in multiples of 101 shares thereafter. The city-based company's proposed IPO is a combination of a fresh issue of 3.87 crore equity shares and an offer for sale (OFS) component of 52.68 lakh shares by promoters. At present, promoters hold over 93% stake in Enviro Infra Engineers. The proceeds from the fresh issue to the tune of 181 crore rupees will be utilized to meet the working capital requirements, 100 crore rupees for payment of debt, 30 crore rupees will be infused into the company's subsidiary, EL Mathura Infra Engineers, to build 60 million litres per day sewage treatment plant, STP, at Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. Besides, a portion will be used for general corporate purposes. As much as 50% of the issue size has been reserved for qualified institutional buyers, 35% for retail investors and the remaining 15% for non-institutional investors. Enviro Infra Engineers IPO will remain open for public subscription until 26 November. The bidding for anchor investors will open for a day on 21st November. Enviro Infra Engineers was established in 2009 and is engaged in the design, construction, operation, and maintenance of water and wastewater treatment plants, WWTPs, and water supply projects, WSSPs, for government agencies or entities. The company's revenue increased by 116% and profit after tax, PAT, rose by 101% between the financial year ending with 31st March 2024 and 31st March 2023. Haim Securities Ltd is the book-running lead manager of the Enviro Infra Engineers IPO, while Bigshare Services PVT Ltd is the registrar for the issue. The allotment for the IPO is expected to be finalized on 27th November, while Enviro Infra will list on BSE, NSE with tentative listing date fixed as 29th November 2024. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more content like this.